egg dish is not only perfect for the whole family but also incredibly easy to make. So delicious!
Yes, this golden egg is made from pumpkin. The color is so beautiful, and it's packed with nutrients too. All you need are pumpkin and eggs. Super simple, right? A quarter of a pumpkin is enough for me. I'll use the rest to make Harvard vegetable soup. The recipe video for the soup will be shared separately. Peel and slice the pumpkin thinly, then steam it until tender and mash it into a smooth paste. This way, you won't have to worry about the pumpkin being undercooked in the steamed egg. Steam until the pumpkin is fully cooked. My steam oven took about 18 minutes. The steaming time should be adjusted based on your own steamer and the thickness of the pumpkin slices. First, crack the eggs into a small bowl, then pour them into the steaming dish. This way, if you get a bad egg, you won't have to waste all the eggs. For the water in the steamed egg, just use half an eggshell to measure it. For 3 eggs, add 6 half shells of water. I also add an extra small teaspoon of water, since I prefer a softer, more tender texture. Just season with salt and pepper. Simple is best. If the steamed egg turns out too mild, you can always drizzle a bit of soy sauce after steaming. But if it's too salty from the start, you'll end up with a salted egg instead. Add the mashed pumpkin paste into the egg mixture. Stir until well combined, and it's ready to steam. My steam oven took about 20 minutes, and with this steamer, I don't have to worry about wrinkles forming on the surface of the steamed egg. No ads intended. Drizzle a little sesame oil over the steamed egg to enhance the aroma. If you have fried shallots on hand, sprinkle some on top. It makes it even tastier. This pumpkin steamed egg is incredibly smooth and tender, with a texture almost like silky pudding. The natural sweetness of the pumpkin blends perfectly with the delicate egg flavor, creating a light and comforting dish. Topped with a drizzle of fragrant sesame oil, each spoonful is soft, warm, and gently satisfying. A simple, wholesome treat perfect for sharing with the whole family. This pumpkin steamed egg is truly a dish for all ages. Its texture is smooth, soft, and almost melts in your mouth, making it easy for both young children and elderly with sensitive teeth to enjoy. The flavor is naturally sweet from the pumpkin, gently complemented by the mild taste of egg, light, comforting, and never greasy. Plus, it's simple to prepare and packed with goodness, making it a wholesome and heartwarming choice whether served as breakfast or alongside a meal. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin A and dietary fiber, which helps protect vision and promote digestion. It's low in calories yet keeps you full, making it a great choice for a healthy diet. Plus, its natural sweetness adds flavor to dishes without spiking blood sugar, making it suitable for all ages. Pumpkin is an excellent food for weight loss. It's rich in dietary fiber, low in calories, and provides lasting satiety. Its natural sweetness helps satisfy cravings for sweets while having a relatively low glycemic index, which supports appetite control. Whether steamed, roasted, or made into soup, pumpkin can be flexibly incorporated into a weight loss diet, offering both nutrition and health benefits. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough, for VO-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.